Hi, my name is Mubarak. I will be discussing the environment faced by Tesco, which is the largest supermarket company in the UK with 3,146 stores across the UK. For environmental analysis, I will be discussing the SWOT tool, Pestle, TOES matrix, and Porter's 5 force model, as well as the weaknesses of each of these models for Tesco. Starting with the SWOT analysis, Tesco has two main strengths. Sustainable business model, as Tesco is one of the leading retailers. Tesco enjoys strong offerings in the private label category. When it comes to weaknesses, two major weaknesses are as follows: high product recalls, regulatory investigations leading to increased fines. Coming to opportunities, rapid growth online means increased potential profitability in the future. Acquisition of Sociomantic Labs, which is global advertising firm, will allow Tesco to improve the relevance of its brand. Finally, threats include continued low economic growth, increased shoplifting. As with its usefulness, it's important to appreciate the limitations of SWOT analysis. Although SWOT analysis has helped produce a range of information on Tesco, however, it fails to prioritize issues. Should Tesco focus more on online growth or emphasize its ability to integrate Sociomantic Labs acquisition to benefit from targeted advertising? Now we look at Pestle tool to analyze the external environment faced by Tesco and the retail industry. Reduction in corporate taxes by the UK government to 21% for large firms will have a positive impact on Tesco, as its post-tax profits will increase. Although low interest rates has stimulated bank lending, persistent low economic growth in the UK is expected to continue, which will negatively impact Tesco's revenue growth. Sociocultural. Greater trend towards healthier food options such as organic food means Tesco can use its large size to specialize in this area. As you can see in the picture, Tesco being the largest retailer allows investing in modern technology and equipment such as self-scan checkouts. Legal. There are restrictions such as national minimum wage and alcohol selling restrictions. Environmental. Increased consumer awareness regarding firms' social responsibility has meant increased pressure on the firms to reduce their carbon emissions. It is important to note the limitations of Pistol when evaluating Tesco's external environment. The external environment is dynamic, and the above-mentioned factors can change rapidly, resulting in the Pistol analysis quickly becoming outdated. Now we consider TOES matrix to consider Tesco's environment. Strength opportunities. The strong business model with large repeat customer base can be used to expand Tesco's business online. Weaknesses, opportunities. Rapid online expansion opportunities will allow profits to be deployed in quality control and therefore minimize the product recalls. Regarding the limitations of toes, the use of toes means that Tesco will be excessively focused on its internal environment, resulting in not being focused on the actions of competitors or consumers, leading to the lack of consumer orientation. Finally, I will use Porter's five-force model to analyze the supermarket industry. Threat of substitutes moderate. There are few substitutes to food products in retail. Degree of rivalry strong. High five. Firm construction ratio in retail indicates strong rivalry in the industry. Bargaining power of buyers moderate. As the main buyers are end consumers, they have medium bargaining power given no single consumer is large enough. Bargaining power of suppliers low, as large retailers maintain relationships with a range of suppliers. This leads to low supplier power. Threat of new entrants low. It is difficult for new entrants due to large initial investment. Researchers have concluded that Porter's five-force model is reasonably subjective and static. In conclusion, Tesco should continue to observe the changes in environment and devise its organizational objective accordingly, which will allow the firm to maintain its market share and enhance its unique competitive advantage. Thank you for listening.